Why is it that some people work hard every single day, yet still feel like they're stuck in the same place financially? They earn money, they pay bills, they try to save, but it feels like the bank account hits zero faster than they can say, payday. The truth is, it's not always about how much you earn. It's more about how you think about money. Let's break down 7 mindset mistakes that keep people broke and how you can avoid them. No fluff, no lectures, just real talk. This one's common. People say, once I get a raise, then I'll start saving. But here's the catch. If you don't learn how to manage a small amount of money, managing a big amount won't be any easier. Saving isn't about the amount. It's about the habit. Even if it's just $1 a day, it builds discipline, and that discipline sticks with you no matter how much you earn. Trying to impress others by buying the latest phone, sneakers, or gadgets may feel good in the moment, but it's a trap. You're not really spending for you. You're spending to be seen, and that's dangerous because every dollar that goes to impressing others is a dollar that's not working for your future. It's okay to enjoy things, but make sure you're building wealth before you start showing it. This one sneaks in quietly. You might not say it out loud, but deep down, some people feel like money isn't for them. Maybe they grew up hearing things like, people like us don't get rich, or money changes people. Over time, that belief turns into a wall. You don't go after better opportunities. You don't ask for more. You settle. But here's the truth. Wealth doesn't belong to a specific group of people. It belongs to those who believe they're worthy of it and act on it. Many people spend more time planning their vacation than they do learning how to manage their money. Budgeting sounds boring. Investing feels scary. And financial terms, they seem confusing. But avoiding it doesn't make the problem go away. It makes it worse. Even spending just 15 minutes a week watching a simple video or reading a short article can give you an edge. The more you know, the less money controls you, and the more control you have. You ever hear people say, money is the root of all evil? That kind of thinking creates distance between you and wealth. Money isn't good or bad. It's a tool. A hammer can build a house or break a window. It depends on how you use it. When you start seeing money as something that can help you live better, help others, and create freedom, you'll begin to treat it with more care. Let's be honest, we all want results fast. We want the big breakthrough. So when progress is slow, many people give up too soon. But building anything valuable, whether it's your fitness, skills, or bank account, takes time. Starting small doesn't mean staying small. It means you're on your way. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start now, start small, and stay consistent. Look at your closest friends. Are they moving forward or are they stuck? Now, this doesn't mean you should cut people off, but it does mean you need to protect your mindset. If you hang around people who think saving is pointless, investing is risky, and goals are for other people, then you're going to start thinking the same way. Find people, even if it's online, who talk about growth, learning, and becoming better. It rubs off on you. So, here's the truth. Staying broke isn't always about your job, your background, or your luck. It's often about your mindset. The good news? You can change that. Start by recognizing these traps. Choose better thoughts. Build better habits. You don't have to be a genius. You don't need to have rich parents. And you don't need to wait for a miracle. You just need to shift your thinking and stick with it. If this hit home for you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're serious about changing your money mindset, hit that subscribe button. More simple. Real-world money lessons are on the way. Thanks for watching. Let's grow, one smart move at a time.